Hey everyone, it's Tom here. Welcome back to my shop. So we got another hayman job. A local in town found my shop and brought me another bush hog repair. I guess when it rains it pours. This is like the third bush hog repair. So hey, it's work. I'll take it. So let's get over to the workbench and show you what we got to do. This is what the customer brought me. Apparently this is an old bush hog and the part is no longer available. Not 100% sure how it works, but I think, you know, you got the PTO shaft going in there. Something goes on here and gets locked down, and this is a surface. This is a clutch surface, which is got no pad left on it anymore. So what it does, it goes down like here, so now it's locked, and this part will be spinning, I guess, or actually probably, since this is off the PTO, then this part's spinning. And when you need to disengage, you know, you raise it up and then it's free spinning. Well, there's nothing centering it, and this is all that's left of the bearing there, so this would be in here and it would keep it centered. Looks like some sort of you know, bronze. I don't have a piece of bearing bronze this large, so this is 3 inches in diameter. Do have this hunk of brass. He said brass is fine. You know, if it was me, I'd rather use, you know, some oil impregnated bearing bronze, since obviously, you know, this is going to be rotating when you disengage it, so that would give this a fighting chance for it surviving longer with a little bit of lubrication. But this is more of a restoration project. I'm not sure if he's actually going to use it or not, so we're going with brass because this is what I had, and he says that's fine. Because I priced a piece of bearing bronze, 3 inch in diameter. I think it had a 2 1/4 inch ID, so it gave you about 3/8 wall thickness, and a 3 inch long piece of stock was about $20 from McMaster-Carr, so figure shipping and tax, so you probably about $140 for just a piece of stock. So he wasn't going to pay that, so he's fine with this hunk of brass. So we'll go with brass and get this thing chucked up. This is 3 inches, so she fits almost perfectly in this bore here. I think I just got a little bit of an edge that needs to be broke, and it will fit right in. So don't really need to do much turning on the outer diameter. We just got to go in about, let's see here, so you guys can kind of see our measurements, what we're working with. Well, we need this 330 thousandths thick. So we'll probably just go in, you know, close to about 400 thousandths, and then we'll just start, you know, chewing her out until we make a ring. Pretty simple. Let's get over the lathe and get it knocked out. Well, I'm just going to start chewing out the hole now. Be a lot of boring. Should have about 200 thou more to go. Sure, having to waste a lot of brass, but didn't have a hollow piece. And what's nice is this ID isn't super critical because it's not perfectly round, so just shooting for a nice number to give a couple thou clearance all around it. But if it ends up being, you know, a smidgen more, then we're good. Alright, let's take a measurement and see where we're at. 2.433. Alright, with any luck, this should be the last pass. Tell you, when you don't have to hit a super tight tolerance, you can kind of just machine away. It's actually quite enjoyable. Alright, let's see if we're where we need to be. Yeah, still in frame. Yeah, I mean, put me back a little more to clear the boring bar. Oh yeah, that'll work. Cool, a couple thou over, but that's perfect. Not a problem. Alright, so we need to break the inner edge, break the outer edge, and part this thing off. Alright. Let's move over. Lock the carriage. See if we can part it. High speed steel would be better, but let's see. We can get it done with this carbide. Get in there and get out. It's gonna be gunning me. Ooh, she throwing some shit. Let me slow her down since it's maybe too slow, but see what happens. Woo. Let's get that edge broke before it parts through. Alright, a little painful, but we got through it. Sit back over here at the lathe. The OD is like 3 inches and about 6 thou, so it won't go in the hole. I cleaned the rust and all. She will almost go on, but we need a nice sliding fit. We don't need it too tight, so we're just going to take a couple thou off. Nice and gingerly here. Don't need much. Just kiss it and get it round and get it down to dimension there. Let's see, that may be all we need. Oh, there you go. That's what I'm looking for. Nice. Okay, there you got it. One brass ring, so to speak, right? A lot of wasted material, but it is what it is. She fits nice. You can see, not sloppy, just a couple thou clearance there for movement. And this fits down on there like that. Nice snug fit. But yet it moves. So that's what we needed. Alright, fairly simple project, but you never know what comes in the door. It pays the bills, so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I appreciate you watching, appreciate you subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next video, alright? See ya.